We are heading into Twister. It's cool, it has a metal support back there.
Yes!
For a minute and 20 seconds. That's fun.
So we just got off Twister, which is the gigantic wooden coaster right behind us. It was just okay for me.
Yeah, I mean, I think it has a really cool layout.
It has a great layout.
awesome layout.
It looks really cool from off-ride, but I don't know, there just wasn't much
you
to
don't
it.
get like a lot of airtime.
You don't get any airtime. Yeah, I mean, it's just okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Interesting layout though, I'd say.
Yep.